can't say you never did know. You can't say you haven't been told. No, you can't say you never did know. On that day, judgment on that day. Oh, people bet ya, watch out now. Yeah, that's it. Watch out. Catch you. Come in anyway, but just don't take it. Come on, die in the gutter instead of taking the mark of the beast. I tell you that now. You're better off dying in the gutter than taking the mark of the beast. So beware of digital ID. Beware of any needles, anything you want to put in just beware of any tattoos and all that. Brothers and sisters, watch out. That's the end of the song. Right, the sun's beaming, man. Nice, isn't it? Got a nice winter time here, lad.
I'm getting some good YouTube here, lad.
Bless the family, you know. Thanks for everyone for your appreciation, and you know, your kindness and that, you know, I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Bless up. I don't know what I'd do without you.